Chairperson of the Jamaica Football Federation Women's Football Committee, Elaine Walker-Brown, says while the women's game in Jamaica continues to grow, sustained support from corporate Jamaica and parish associations remains critical to its long-term success. Kian Reyna reports.
For years, women's football locally has struggled to keep pace with the men's game, a reality reflected globally, but the gap in Jamaica has been particularly wide. However, recent progress, including the steady development of the Jamaica Women's Premier League, signals a positive shift. Elaine Walker-Brown believes that the upward trajectory must now be reinforced by key stakeholders across the island. She's urging parish associations to play a more active role in nurturing homegrown talent, noting that when the Reggae Girls qualified for the 2019 Women's World Cup, most of the players were born in Jamaica.
I will call in on the presidents, all the presidents of the associations, to see women's football as a part of the calendar, because some have the interest and some don't. And I know sometimes I'll get bashing, but the bottom line is that when we rejoice with the success of women's football, you must be proud that you make a contribution. So we are asking all the presidents, all the parish associations to get involved and let us take this to the next level, because we are going places now.
Walker-Brown also acknowledged that while the Women's Premier League has attracted several sponsors, securing consistent corporate investment remains a challenge. She says greater buy-in from the business community is essential to elevate the competition and create more opportunities for players.
These sponsors are buying to it. They are seeing the end product, and with the girls on the world stage and under 17. And I want to tell you that what is happening, the JFF has assisted the clubs. So in the Women's Premier League, each club gets $1 million from the JFF to help with their preparation. You understand? So we're getting the sponsors. The JFF has pumped some money to individual teams. So even you see for more reason than one why the other parish getting some help can come on board.
Already, the JWPL has been receiving positive feedback from the sponsors following the execution of last season.
The players, I think, were very positive in the increased visibility that we were able to bring the league, through media partners like you guys, as well as our YouTube channel. There was so much more visibility, games showing as well as highlights. Coming out of that, we had 12 college or university scholarships and actually 2 professional contracts. So overwhelmingly positive on all fronts.
There will be live streaming of all the matches this season, starting with this weekend's openers. Kian Reyna reporting for TVJ Sports.